So we're going to go over a quick analysis of the recent State of Climate 2024 update, which was as of, I think, November 11th. So over here, we have record levels of greenhouse gases, but they have not stated whether or not in 2024 we've reached a greenhouse gas level record. Meanwhile, in surface area temperature, they have said that it is above the pre-industrial average and that we're on track for the warmest year, but we have not reached that level yet. Same with the Antarctic ice meltage, which each year it's getting worse, but this year it has not gotten as bad as last year yet. We also have ocean heat content rising, which they also have not stated if it has gotten better or not. And same thing goes with climate things like solar technology or electric vehicles, which have rallied in the stock market so recently due to the election. And over here they show that we have record observed levels, but only in 2023. They don't have 2024 data completed yet. We do see an exponential rise after 2020, and it's continued to rise. It's expected to rise, including ppm, which is the amount of particles in the air of CO2 pre-industrial, versus ppb, which also is CH4, and then ppb for N2O. Then we have the Paris Agreement, talks about the current state of global warming, which we've actually seen it start to level off a little bit in terms of Celsius. If you look on the graph on the right, we're currently around 1.2 to 1.3, and it seems quite flat. We're expected to reach 1.5 within 10 years. Over here it's showing the amount of ice. You can see it's also exponential. If you look at the graph on the right, you can see the mass change. It looks like an exponential, or like inverse exponential graph. Same with glacier loss. And then over here we have our ocean heat content and our sea level rise. Ocean heat on the left, sea level rise on the right. Again, more exponential rise. Here we have a year of unusual high precipitation in the Sahara Desert, in most of Europe and Asia, and in parts of North America. What I really want to look at here is in the Sahara Desert, where we're having unusual high precipitation and the amount that it has impacted on South America. We go in closer here. We're currently experiencing a La Nina event, which is in the Western Pacific. It's off of Mexico and Chile, those areas, and this is causing severe dryness in those areas where you see on the map where it's yellow. Meanwhile, the opposite is happening on the opposite side of the world, opposite side of the Pacific, here in Indonesia, China, Japan. We're having wetter seasons than normal. And then also in the Sahara, it's wetter than normal, which is not normal since it is a desert. And it's been helpful, but also not, because it causes flash flooding and whatnot.